Naimbag nga daw tayo amin po, most especially kailyak nga taga-Vintar nga
Yes po.
agbuybuyak, dingdingig ka dito yung programa. First of all, akit itatibigat, nagtalpas man din 76 regular session min.
Yes,
Ako, kit, nag-approval kami ti adung nga resolution and then ordinances that were calendared for second reading. At any rate, imaitatay digiti children from the resource integrated learning resource center tayo apo ito yan ti FCIS digiti yan ti dating SPED titawag idi okay, these are the special children kasi we are celebrating this week the 28th week of autism okay so may damit apo and then they were they celebrated it with us ni Sir Eric Castro nakisarsarita met nga itultuloy tayo ti suporta tayo kadakwada apo.
So ano digiti kas lang activities nga sinuportahan iti biyang ti pagpanday linteg iti Vintar ma'am.
Okay, this inclusive learning resource center tayo. Iti FCIS is funded also by the municipal government apo. Actually daydayawen da nga rod ta it is only in Vintar kunada ta maikantifan no in kayo kitain apo it is already a very progressive learning center kadigitoy special children tayo or children with disabilities tayo apo ta
Yes, ma'am.
at dapat digitoy kumpleto da pay amin nga therapeutic facilities at dapat DJ kas labasit na swimming pool na at dapat DJ rehab facilities na and we also have our physical therapists who come through the internship program of the Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital
Yes,
and
po.
also the Black Nazarene Hospital apo. So and these children also are given 500 pesos each month as their as allowance da apo, and this is through an ordinance that was crafted before nga financial assistance is given to these children with mental health disabilities
Yes,
apo, up to 25 years old.
Ma'am, your knowledge manoda ma'am ang iti Vintar ma'am nga supportaran tayo ma'am.
I think they are already more than 21 apo adudan.
Okay.
And
Yes,
it's not
po.
only in Vintar, adupay digiti Tagalawag nga adadtuyan apo. I don't know if I'm wrong but I think it's more than 30. I think
Yes, po,
the enrollees tayo. And then secondly apo, ada DJ na craft tayo met nga ordinansa nga mangitultuloy from 26 years old up to 59 years old with financial assistance for people or persons with mental health conditions apo, and it's already in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for final review.
Okay,
and
po.
hopefully it will be approved apo. Tapno itultuloy tayo digitoy assistance nga ited tayo. Aside from that apo, imbaga pa ni apo Sir Eric that time if we could also subsidize for an occupational therapist which is they also need. So we will make that through an ordinance.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kada iti 2024, ma'am, kumusta antay man iti nagbalin nga pundo or budget, iti LGU Vintar, iti kada ito'y 2024, ma'am?
Okay, ngimatumet apo. I think in 2023, it was about 275
Yes, po.
million plus, and now, in 2024, it's about 293 million. Okay, so ngimatu basit apo. Because it was in last year, nung maalala yo, bimaba because of the NTA,
Yes,
the
yes,
National Tax Allotment tayo nga bimaba apo. So, itatanakit we are recovering, so ngimatumet apo.
Oo, so ti mostly nga kang ronaan nga pinunduan tayo is digiti talaga nga kasapulan digiti umili, ma'am.
Yes, basic needs like health, education, agriculture, our food supply, and likewise we have to maintain also our employees, okay, our workforce
Yes,
in our local government unit.
Okay. Ma'am, iti umay nga bulan ket iso iti panakaysayang kat iti daytoy every year nga celebraran iti probinsya ng Ilocos Norte nga iti ma'am ket iti Tanok Festival. So kumusta antay man iti Ili Vintar no kas lang manumet ma'am iti in pa nga pundo para iti panakabuo iti contingent iti Vintar for this Tanok 2024 ma'am.
Okay, medyo mababasit apo from 2 million last year. The funding for 2024 for the TANOC is 1 million. But
Okay
we
po.
could, if it is not enough, we could make it in a supplemental budget for this.
Yes, ma'am.
That this is just the budget for this no kas pagarigan man kasi last year apo nakita mi nga medyo na nga to basit DJ in budget mi
Yes
for
po.
2 million.
Oo.
So if it is not enough, we will have it as a supplemental budget.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, lastly, kumusta man iti panagkinamayat iti biyang ti Chief Executive at the same time da kayong agpanpandalinteg iti Vintar iti panagtrabaho yuman, ma'am, kadag iti iso amin nga kakailyan yo iti Vintar for the more development iti aglawlaw tayo ma'am iti Vintar Ilocos Norte.
Okay, wala po naman nagbago sa amin
Yes
ni
po.
Mayor Apo.
Oo.
I'm still the mayor, I'm still the vice mayor, he's
Yes
the
po.
executive, I'm the
Yes.
legislative, and we both have different works to do, but we do work in unison in
Yes
order
po.
to
Oo.
give Apo di GJ dapat nga maitad nga pagprogresohan iti ili tayo nga bintar Apo most especially iti umilita. No kas pagariganhan nga kinamayat ti legislative and executive Apo
Yes
ket
po.
ti agsuffer no kayo ket
Kami-
kakailian
yes.
tayo because we cannot deliver what is more efficient and more effective okay as service for our community. Likewise Apo, hindi nga tamit akit we were misunderstood before kasi syempre we are doing our work, he's
Yes
also
po.
doing his work. But now Apo ket as the time goes by, we learn how to adjust each other's
Yes.
the capacity nga makuna and each other's personality. So tatapo mayat ti panagkakamayat and even the Sangguniang Bayan members, we don't have any factions or divisions. We work as a whole,
Yes po.
Apo, and we do give you the assurance that we will deliver the best of this administration.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, apela tayo or bensahe tayo karagiti so amin nga taga Vintar Ilocos Norte from your office at the same time iti biyang digiti agpanpandalinteg ti Vintar, ma'am.
Okay, Apo, before that, I just like to inform met digiti kailyak nga di pinakaamo Apo nga ada doktor tayon Apo
Yes,
manen di jayan titi Vintar District Hospital that was appointed by our honorable Governor Matthew Marcos Manotok. Apo recently nag-courtesy call in the person of Dr. Desiree Soriano. Apo, he is a surgeon. She's a surgeon from
okay.
Ilocos Sur. And another pharmacist by the name of Jeyo Sarandi, who comes from Barangay Kanaam.
Okay, ma'am.
Dito Apo akit, this is a first step in bringing back our Vintar District Hospital to its former classification.
So
as
inal
an
daw nga da
admitting.
jayin, ma'am.
Yes,
okay
Apo.
po.
So, first namin, Apo, ket ma-accredit natin as a birthing facility.
Okay
Santo
po.
ma-accredit as a primary admitting hospital again.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
hopefully, Apo, da kayo nga taga-surong, Apo, adan, papanan yung doktor yan nga permanent itayan tamdaga, Vintar District Hospital in Tamdagan.
Oo. Kumusta
Barangay
ti pasilidad na jay, ma'am?
Kumpleto tayo Apo
Okay
kasi
po,
this is DOH funded.
Okay, ma'am.
And tilang nagkaroon nito but problema ket DJ empleyado tayo Apo.
Okay,
Who
ma'am.
works for the and
Kat-
my last
sige.
message na lang po
Yes
for my
po.
you were asking my message
Yes,
while
ma'am.
ago.
Yes, ma'am.
Dediket ipagpakaunak-unay Apo ti panagdios ti agninami in behalf of our Sangguniang Bayan members and of course our local chief executive, the Honorable Mayor, for all the support that you're giving in this administration. Apo, and rest assured, we will work hard as you expect us to be. Kano anaman ti tidigiti kayat yung i-improve mi Apo ket we are willing to take all your suggestions. Our office is open, Apo. You suggest because you are a part of this governance that we lead, Apo.
Okay.
Just unay tagninan.